Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a reading for the year end. Okay, so for the coming days in December, so the remaining part of the month and the year end. So let's see what are the messages for Taurians for the year end, the coming half. The Hermit, the King of Swords, the Temperance, the Queen of Pentacles, Three of Cups, the Knight of Wands, the Knight of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords, the King of Cups. So Taurians, we have the Hermit, the King of Swords, the Temperance, and then Queen of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Knight of Wands, Knight of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the King of Cups. So you are really thinking hard regarding a situation in a very, very balanced way. Okay, you are thinking logically, you are analyzing a situation. There is a certain aspect here which needs to be solved. Okay, and you are really thinking about it. You are trying to weigh the pros and cons. You are dealing with the situation with a lot of patience. You have no hurry to deal with it. You are not acting impulsively, but you are taking your time to think about it and to find the correct solution or the correct answer to whatever the situation is. Okay, and this situation is in some way, shape or form troubling you also. Okay, so trying to find a solution to a problem in a very balanced and an intuitive way, I should say, and not discussing much with the people. It's all about your own decision. It's something of that sort. Okay, and then we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Cups, and the Knight of Wands. So here what I feel is that you are focusing on your own passions. You're focusing on yourself. You're focusing on your family. You're focusing on your friends. You're focusing on reunions. So getting back to people, following your passions, following whatever you like. You're trying to be happy. Okay, so you've been dealing with the situation over here, and maybe now you feel that okay, you've thought about it hard. It can be that maybe you have not still arrived to a decision. Maybe you're still not able to come to a decision, and you realize that okay, I need to focus on myself. I need to give time to myself, rejuvenate myself, take a break, take a vacation, spend happy time. So here I feel that you are spending time with yourself, with your family, with your hobbies, with your passions. It's something of that sort. Taking a break on and focusing on yourself. That is what seems to be the energy here. Okay, it's about you and your happiness, you and your celebrations, parties, something of that sort. It doesn't seem to be a work type of an energy. Even if there is any work involved, it is something which is your own passion, like hobbies, something of that sort. Okay, so here you are focusing on yourself. It seems to be, it's like once you're tired of dealing with the situation, I've thought about it enough, not able to come to a solution, leave it there. I'll focus on my happiness and see what happens. It can be that also. And then we have the Knight of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the King of Cups. So once you are focusing on your own passions, giving time to yourself and giving time to your happiness, I see the contrast in the energies. Here you seem to be very serious, trying to deal with the situation. In this area, I feel that you are just trying to be happy. Okay, can't do much about it. Let's be happy and focus and work on whatever can be worked upon. With the Knight of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords, I see you opening up here. You want to open up. And we have the King of Cups also here. Knight of Cups, King of Cups. There is a situation here in which you have a lot of love for. It's really definitely close to your heart. You are holding on to this love, perhaps. Perhaps you are holding on to this love and this happiness of yours, whatever the source of happiness is, and there is love here. You are holding on to it, and that perhaps is helping you come out of a situation or liberate yourself, and that is making you happy. So this aspect, once you are able to focus on yourself, once you are able to focus on the love and open up to the person, whosoever the person is, slowly and steadily you are able to come out of your unhappy situation, whatever that unhappy. So you are able to release the past here. Basically, you are able to release what is troubling you over here. That's what I feel. So maybe this is the same situation which you've been thinking about over here, with the Ten of Swords being there, Hermit and Temperance. You're trying to come to a solution and you couldn't find one, perhaps at that point in time, and then you started focusing on your own happiness, on your own self, and here you are emotional for someone, ready to open up emotionally. And this is something which, this is the force which you are holding on to, and once you are holding on to love, you are able to release the past, sort of. That's what I feel. Once you are able to open up to this person, if that is a person, or once you are able to hold on to the love for this person or this situation, whatever the situation here is, you are able to deal with this situation which was troubling you and release it. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.